In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue in Windows 11 where your taskbar is either not working or just not displaying altogether. So the first step we are going to take to try and fix this issue is by coming over to our task manager, and you can press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and this is going to bring up the task manager window, and inside of this list of processes we need to scroll all the way down and look for a process called Windows Explorer. You can also use this search box at the top and just type in Windows, and once you've found the process inside of this list, we need to right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. We can then close out of the Task Manager window, and the next thing you're going to do is press the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard, and this is going to bring up the settings menu, and inside of here from the left we want to come down to personalization, then scroll all the way down inside of the taskbar, then come all the way down once more and select taskbar behaviors, and we want to ensure that automatically hide the taskbar is unchecked. And whilst we're in the settings menu, it's a good idea to make sure your operating system is up to date by coming down to Windows Update on the left here and pressing this check for updates button, which is important as sometimes outdated software can cause problems with our software or applications. Now, once you've installed the latest version of Windows, if that's still not fixed the issue for you, the next thing we can do is head out of here, and we're going to come to our start menu, and you need to search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Inside of here, the first command we need to type in is sfc/scan now, and hit the enter key, and this is going to scan all of your core Windows system files just to ensure that nothing's broken or missing, and you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. It may take a few minutes to complete, and once the scan's reached 100%, as long as you don't have any issues inside of here, the next thing you need to do is type in the following command. So I've already got this saved in my notepad here, and I'll leave this command in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste it too, and I'm just going to paste that command inside of here, and once again we're going to let this scan run, and we're just going to wait for this to get to 100%. Now, if you've tried these two commands and it's still not working for you, the last thing that we can do is head out of this command prompt window, and we're going to press the Windows key plus the letter R on our keyboard to bring up the run menu, and inside of this search box you need to type in regedit and hit OK. Then inside of the registry editor, we need to come down to H key local machine, inside of software, scroll all the way down to the Microsoft folder, inside of Windows right at the bottom here, then expand this Windows folder, then look for a folder called current version, and we need to expand this folder, come all the way down to shell, and then expand this folder too, inside of update, and we want to click on the packages folder, and once you've selected the packages folder, we need to right click on this white space, come over to new, and we need to select dword 32-bit value, and we're going to give this the name undocking disabled. Make sure to start with a capital U, and also the disabled should start with a capital D, and hit enter on your keyboard. Then we're going to double click on this file, and we're going to change the value data from 0 to 1 and hit OK. Now at this point in time you'll need to restart your computer in order for your changes to take effect, and once you've restarted your computer that should have fixed the issue, but if you still are encountering problems, the last thing you can do is come back over to your registry editor by once again pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard, and we're going to search for regedit once more. Then we need to come back inside of the packages folder, and we're just going to rename this undocking file by right clicking and selecting rename, and we can rename it to anything. I'm just going to add the digit 1 at the end and hit enter. And by doing this, that should have now fixed the taskbar issue in Windows 11. Now, if you still are experiencing issues, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.